Hey, Fábio here. How are you? Welcome to this video where I will share with you a very powerful tool for you to generate copywriting. If you don't know how to do copy, like, email swipes, sales letters, titles, descriptions, all kinds of sales scripts. If you're not good at it, I have a tool. I'm going to share with you a tool that it's so good. It does so much with copywriting. Like you want to do an ad, or you want to follow up with let's say you do a course, you want to follow up, or whatever you do, you need scripts, you need copywriting, right? Now, I'm going to show you a way where you can have amazing copywriting in your fingertips. Literally, stay tuned for it. All right, let me go and show you this amazing script generator. You will never ever need to pay for a high price copywriter. You don't need a professional to do this. This thing will do the work for you. Very powerful. So let me hop in here into my computer and show you. Here we go. So this is the tool. And this tool is so powerful. This is a new avatar over here. Is you create the perfect client, the perfect buyer for your product or whatever you're promoting. It doesn't need, can be a service or anything, right? So you want to create an avatar over here. So if you go to new, and you need step 1, step 2, and you need their pain points. You see your offer, your call to action. So everything you need to put their age, their name, their email, their relationship, all those stuff. And then what this does is this generator will create you a perfect script. Now, what scripts can you get out of this? Let me show you. So if you go here to generate script, you can literally do anything you can think of. Let's say you are an affiliate marketer. So you would go here to affiliate marketing scripts. And as you can see, you have headline scripts, email scripts, niche scripts. So what it does, let's say we click here on email scripts. It has, cold prospecting emails, flash sale email series, giveaway emails, custom or welcome on product purchase email series, lead magnet welcome email, so all these follow-ups that you would need with an autoresponder. Instead of you going ahead and typing it all, you come to this tool, and this tool will make you professional looking emails and follow-ups. Of course, you would have to edit a little bit, but it generates a very professional script here. So you never have to pay for somebody to do your email follow-ups and all that kind of stuff. This is just one thing over here. Now generate script. Let's see more. Let's say internet marketing. And you can see funnel scripts for your funnels, webinar scripts, advertising scripts, joint venture scripts, headline scripts, OTO scripts, email scripts, e-commerce scripts, high ticket script. It is insane. See, if you go high tickets script, you have scripts that you can use to literally help you close a sale. So this tool is so powerful. You have so many good things in here that you can do. Let's say story for social media, for sales, you see advertising scripts, you see Facebook ad scripts, banner scripts, PPC ads, native ads, solo ads. So as you can see, if you need ad copy, you don't need to create yourself. This tool will create it for yourself. Now, this is a script generator. It's a complete amazing tool where literally, if you're a marketer, or if you're selling online, whatever you do, you need a good copy. You need to be done it right. So instead of paying thousands of dollars for professional script, you can just come here and create a high-end script that will really convert, because you create your avatar here. So you create your perfect customer. So for example, the email swipes, the ad, or anything you choose, any script you choose will be perfect for that avatar. And now you can create multiple avatars. And this tool is so amazing. I just found out this here, and it's so cool. And this tool actually is here on this platform, which is called Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing platform, and this is just one of the tools that it has inside. You can make websites. You have email server here. You can host websites, connect domains, and you can do loads of things here. They have like about 30 tools with loads of things. But this tool, just this tool alone, it's worth taking a look. So I will leave a link below for a 7-day trial, so you can give it a try. So what you do once you sign up, once you click that link, you sign up to Builderall. You just create your email and password, and then you'll be on this dashboard. And this dashboard, you come to apps, and then you click over here, script generator, and it will pop up this generator that I'm talking about. Now this is so powerful, because imagine any product you launch, anything that you want to put it to life, instead of thinking for yourself or trying to for yourself writing a good copy, you come to this tool and you just generate high quality copy for your sales funnels, for your sales webinar, for your email marketing. So you have scripts to follow up, you have scripts to talk with clients, prospecting. You have all of that stuff inside this app, which is absolutely amazing. Pretty cool, guys. This is pretty cool. This is actually my Builderall account, and let me show you here real quick. This is my notification. I get commissions every single day from promoting this tool. It's so amazing. And by the way, when you sign up on that 7-day free trial, you go ahead and you try this tool for 7 days. And then if you decide to use this tool, because you can take a look around and see it for yourself, it's so powerful. I love it. You can, and if you decide to use this tool, I will get a small commission, and because I get that commission, I also will help you if you need any help with Builderall with this tool. And even here, generating the scripts or any issue you'd have, I'm here to support you along the way. And you don't pay more if you'd pay after that, right? So this 7-day free trial is exclusive. You cannot find it on the Builderall page. So go and take advantage of it, so you can check it out for yourself. You can even make some scripts for free on the trial, but I really recommend you go and take a look at this tool, as it's so cheap and underpriced, and it gives so much value. This tool alone is worth the price. It is amazing. They have a package actually very low price. And it's just amazing. I just found out about this tool, and it's just, I'm just blown away. What am I gonna do with this tool? So and I know a lot of people that use Builderall watch my videos. So take advantage of this, guys. This is really powerful. And so you would go to here. Don't forget to go here to apps, script generator, and you have your script generator ready to give you loads of amazing scripts you can use everywhere online in your marketing message. And not only that, but just anything, even local businesses. If you go here, script generator, sales, social media, software. If you go to software, as you can see, for software, you have all these scripts you can use. Amazing. Awesome, guys. That's it for this video. Have a beautiful day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the ring bell. That'd be so awesome. Thank you very much. Have a blessing day. Believe in yourself. You got this. Go all in, make it happen.